learning, and also unforgettable memories. A huge thank you to my friends, family, and my teachers who supported me along the way, especially Teacher Ma and my mama. I am thankful that I have a home here in MCJ, not just giving me freedom to buhay, but also to introduce me more to the Lord, whom I accepted Him as my Lord and personal Savior. I am thankful to MCJ because it taught me to feel free, to work as a team, learn to respect, learn to forgive, and treat each other like a family. This school has given me memorable memories from elementary to high school. I am honored to have opportunity to learn and grow within this esteemed institution. As I move forward, I carry with me the values of perseverance, resilience, and excellence that you have instilled in me. I am proud to be a part of your legacy and look forward to make a positive impact in the world. Maraming salamat